Hi, my name is Balloon Josh and I'm here with ClownAntics.com, and today you're going to learn how to make my intermediate line work balloon Incredible Hulk. Arr. To make this Hulk we will need 4 balloons, 1 purple and 3 green. We're going to start with the purple. It's not really, doesn't matter how much you leave uninflated, but at least about a hand's width. You're going to start by making a 2-inch bubble, followed by a pinch twist with a 1/2-inch bubble. So 2-inch bubble, 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist. And then we're going to do another pinch twist, another 1/2-inch bubble, and turn that into a pinch twist. So we have a 2-inch bubble with 2 pinch twists. And then we're going to bring it back up and do another 2-inch bubble by tying the knot around the balloon and tucking it through. Now we're going to do the same thing again. Another 2-inch bubble with a 1/2-inch bubble, flip it over, pinch twist, followed by another pinch twist, and then bring the long part of the balloon back to the middle, making another 2-inch bubble. So there we have the top of both of Hulk's legs. Now we're going to break off this extra part, but we don't want to lose it, so hang on to it. Set the other legs apart, side. Then we're going to tie this off, because we're going to use this again for the Hulk's waist. Then we're going to take the green balloon, and we're going to make a 1.5-inch bubble followed by a 1/2-inch bubble, and this is going to be one of Hulk's feet. Grab the other balloon, do the same thing. 1.5-inch bubble, 1/2-inch bubble, fold it over, pinch twist for the other foot. Then you're going to make about a 1.5-inch bubble, and you're going to tie this in to the 2 pinch twists on one of the sides of Hulk's leg. And then you do the same thing with the other balloon. Make a 1.5-inch bubble, and you're going to twist it in at the base of the 2 pinch twists on the other side. These will be making both of Hulk's legs. Then we're going to break these sections off, but we want to save them. So you're going to break it off, retie it, and break it off and retie it. Now we're going to work on his torso, his midsection. We start by tying the 2 balloons together at the nozzles, and then we're going to twist those around the center where the 2 legs come together. So make sure the legs are facing the same direction, because it's painful if they're not. So there we have Hulk's legs, his knees, his feet. And now we're going to start building his torso. So we want him to have a nice abs coming up, right? So we're going to start by making 3 bubbles, because we're going to give him a 6-pack. So 3 bubbles on one side, followed by a larger bubble for his pectorals. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So don't let go. 1, 2, 3 bubbles for his 6-pack abs, another balloon for his other pectoral, and then you have the front of him. But don't worry, we're going to fill it out a little bit more. He looks kind of wussy right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this back down, loop it around where the legs are. This is going to be half of his back. Then we're going to bring it back up. So we brought it down through his legs, and then we're going to bring it back up and twist it around the top again. Now we need to kind of close his abs up a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to twist in the middle of his abs. So above his second set of abs, we're going to just do a little twist those 1 full rotation all the way around. This will lock it in and give him a nice looking 6-pack. Super strong. Now we're going to bring the purple balloon we had set aside, the extra break off, and then this is going to be used, we're going to wrap it around. This will form his waist, but we'll also keep his legs pushed down together so they don't stick outside awkwardly. So we're going to just wrap it around, and then we twist the knot all the way around, tuck it through, and then if you have an extra, like I have here, a little extra bubble, I'm just going to break it and then tie it together. So we just tied a loop around his waist. And this will kind of hold his body in place and give him a nice muscular look. Now for this, we're going to go down about 2-inch bubble, followed by a pinch twist, And then we're gonna bring it back to the base of the neck. So there's one bicep for the Hulk. So then we're gonna tie the two remaining sections together with 2-inch bubbles. Then we're gonna make a 1/2-inch bubble, turn it into a pinch twist, and break off the 2 excesses and tie them around. Break off the remaining excess, let the air out, and again, just pull it through the bicep, and it'll keep it locked in place. So then we have the 2 biceps coming down, giving them a nice, strong, muscular look, and this can be done pretty quickly. We're gonna use the last remaining balloon, and we just tie it in to the pinch twist on one side. Then we're gonna make a 2-inch bubble, followed by a 1/2-inch bubble, do a pinch twist, and then we're gonna do a split twist with this. By rolling that, you split it in half, create a split twist. Then you create another bubble. That bubble, the size doesn't really matter, we're gonna pop it. Then here to show you another way to do the hands, instead of doing a split twist, you can do a pinch twist, followed immediately by another pinch twist. So you have 2 pinch twists, and then again, a 2-inch bubble, tie it around the pinch twist on the other arm, and you're gonna break off the excess. So this is gonna give us some nice muscular looking arms. We're gonna break this bubble in the middle to separate his hands. So just snap it, and then you have his hands separated. So nice, strong, muscular looking Hulk, but right now a headless Hulk. My favorite head is the Juan Gonzalez green monster head that you can get on La Rock's Magic. And we tie that head around here, tuck it in. Now, if you want, you can draw hair, but you can leave it here, and that is our angry Hulk. Arr. Thank you so much for watching with us today. If you enjoyed what you saw and would like to see more, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your friends and family. All of the materials used in today's video are listed down below. And as always, have a wonderful day. Look forward to seeing you again.